Okay, my name is Deirdre Potash. I'm the owner of Artwell Studio. I am a teaching artist. That means that part of my practice or income comes from selling my art, and the other part comes from teaching about art. I teach to children, adults, seniors in all places. Libraries, schools, community centers, parks, hospitals. For some unknown reason, which I don't know why, the school system pretty much all over the world is set up that we teach and learn about everything in little silos, which really doesn't have to do very much with how life works, right? So STEAM kind of asks us to bring all of those different sectors or many of those sectors back together. Like if you look at cooking, for example, in cooking, you're doing many of those things that STEAM asks of you. You're being creative, you're using math, you're using science. And so in STEAM, we're actually going back to the way it's supposed to be. And that's teaching and collaborating with different teachers in different expertises. So without even trying, I would say, and you're not even thinking about it, most people that teach are doing some form unintentionally about STEAM because it's just a natural consequence of living, right?